What's up, guys? It is in the evening, after dark in Siem Reap. I had a request. Somebody wanted to see the lights of Siem Reap at dark. I explained my camera doesn't do well at night. This video might be fuzzy, out of focus sometimes, just the way it is. But we're going to start down here at the Hard Rock Cafe. We just finished eating right here at this little stand. Yeah. The perfect place to eat, right down here by the river. Nice breeze across from the Hard Rock. And we are now going to commence going home. We'll show you the downtown area. It's not going to be as lit up as normal, obviously, because a lot, if not most, places are closed. But show you what I can. I'll try to get the best quality that I can. But we'll see how it goes. You see, it's already going out of focus. It doesn't know what to focus on at night. Excuse me. Okay.
Yeah.
Kampong Tom?
Yeah.
Okay, she was talking to the man who also comes from Kampong Tom, which is where Joe came from before he moved here to Siem Reap. So let's see what kind of lights we can find for you. It's actually really nice down here at night. Nice breeze right down here by the river. Got some lights going on down there. As you can see, lights reflecting off the river. Most of these are, of course, from businesses and little stalls set up. Street food alley here, as I like to call it. You can get any kind of a street food you want. They have all kinds of little carts. They're all really inexpensive. And the ones I've tried, I haven't tried them all, of course, but the ones I have been really, really good. That right there is the old market. Right down here in the corner. Picture of the Queen's mother, I believe. Or the King's mother. So this is the vibe you're going to get at nighttime downtown here. We are not going down that way. That is away from our destination. But there it is. Like I said, when everything, before all this pandemic stuff happened, this whole area down here would be packed. There wouldn't be any available parking spots here. They would all be filled with motorbikes, cars, and of course tuk-tuks everywhere. There would be wall-to-wall people. And hopefully soon it will get back to that again. They did make some changes to the entry requirements for foreigners wishing to come into town or come into the country. They've reduced that entry fee from $3,000 to $2,000, so they've knocked $1,000 off. And my understanding is that children don't have to pay a fee at all. So if you're coming with your kids, you will only have to worry about paying that for each adult. That's what I have heard through the grapevine. I have not heard anyone say they had to pay for their children, but several have said they were not required to. Also, there are some schools here opening up sooner than expected. one of my friends mentioned that they're getting their own class for the first time, in-person class, and that their school will be opening in September. My friend Helen made a good point. She thinks they're not going to open a bunch of schools until they see how the Khmer New Year celebrations go, which is starting on the 17th of this month for a week. And of course they're hoping for a lot of tourists, a lot of out-of-town people for the official celebration that would have taken place in April. And they are planning some activities, although not quite as big and wild as it normally would be, but they are planning concerts and they're having events and things downtown, or not downtown, but by the river throughout the week. And I'm sure there'll be plenty of things to do, and hopefully some good old water fights, because I really missed that this year. I like that. I like the water fights. Much better in April though, because April is the hottest month of the year, and it feels really good just to get doused with cold water. But see, some parts of the market are still busy even at this later hour. Not everything, of course. Did you want to go in? Okay. I guess we are going inside. I think. I don't know. Oh, we're going in this way. Okay. I'll try to stay behind Senglai's head so the light doesn't blind you. Yeah, still plenty of activity here. Still get some meat if you want. All kinds of vegetable stands are still open. You want 1 kilo?
1 kilo.
1 kilo?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 kilo. She doesn't want the whole 3 kilos. Go, let's see what they have over here. Like some beef there also. Yep. Vegetables. Things of that nature. That wasn't my intent with this video. I wanted to show you the downtown area at night, so I'll get back to that when we go outside. I'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, and here we are in a place that would normally be really, really busy. Right there is one of my favorite bars, Beatniks. Normally this street would just be packed with people because there, of course, is Pub Street there. And of course Pub Street right here. But as you can see, even though there are lights, it doesn't have the same vibe without the people. But there are some things starting to open up again. You see the fish massage place. You stick your feet in, they eat the dead flesh off of them. Ice cream rolls, of course. If you've never had those, I highly recommend it. Those ice cream rolls are really, really good, man. I like them. But as for the rest of it, you find things opening here and there, but For the most part, everything is
Trong massage.
closed.
Me trong massage.
You?
Yeah.
More ice cream rolls.
What?
Fish massage. Fish. Please feed our hungry fish your dead skin. Well, it doesn't say skin, but that's what it meant. They ran out of room. Come over here and help the fish. And of course, laces lined up where you can buy flip-flop, hats, bags, purses, dresses, shirts, sunglasses, watches. Did I miss anything? I don't think so. All manner of things you can find down here. Which way are we going? We're going this way. Okay. Oh, no, thank you. Nope. But I guess if you have to put a positive spin on it, these roads that would normally be difficult to navigate and get across because of the traffic are now pretty much clear. But as you can see, just to see them reap at night downtown. And I think I like it better during the day as far as videos go. You can see things better. Everything's a little bit more clear. But still, I had a request, and I always try to get at them whenever I get a chance. I still have a list of things I need to get out there and do, and I'll get it done just as soon as I can, I promise. Still got time. All right, I will talk to you guys later. All right, we're a little bit further along. I did have to put my gimbal away. I got stuff to carry. Yeah, I like walking at night here when I get the chance. That guy thought she was from Thailand. She's trying to hold on a pass app. Or you can get a little ride in too. Bonus video. There we go. Here, you take that. I will get in here. This is going to be awkward. These things are really low. Okay. Yeah, these things are kind of low. Got to duck and down. Better get the phone back in before it gets sideswiped. They do get really, really close to each other, so. Hey guys, and don't forget, if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And be sure to check out all my links down below. We rely on your donations to do the things we do. Educate, feed people for free, animal welfare. things of that nature. So my PayPal link's down below. You can join my Patreon or buymeacoffee.com/DDC. And every donation is very much appreciated. I say that all the time because I mean it all the time. And we do get matching donations of different people back home when you do. So it goes even further. Other channels vlogging from Cambodia are also down below. Their channel links. I added a new one. My friend and former student, Makara Yels. He just started his YouTube channel. He's got one video up right now. It's excellent. Be sure to check that out. And of course, all my social media is down below. So if you want to hook up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all those are in the description. And other links as well. Alright, I hope you enjoyed our little walk and talk there. I've said it before that I love Cambodia. I love Siem Reap. Whether it's night or in the daytime, it's always something I look forward to, getting out and seeing things. 2.5 years, I'm not tired of it yet. Alright, our apartment is right up here. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. And thank you very much to all my supporters. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Talk to you guys in the next one.